To turn on sound on Reddit, start by opening the Reddit website or mobile app. If you are using the website, click on the three dots at the top right corner of the page and select Settings. If you are using the mobile app, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, scroll down to the Preferences section and click on it. In the Preferences section, look for the Media Autoplay option and click on it. The Media Autoplay option allows you to control whether videos and GIFs on Reddit play automatically with sound or without sound. To turn on sound, select the option that says Always Play with Sound or use default device settings. If you select Always Play with Sound, videos and GIFs will always play with sound on Reddit. If you select Use default device settings, videos and GIFs will play with sound if your device is not in silent mode. After selecting your preferred option, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Save Changes. Your changes will be saved and sound will be turned on for videos and GIFs on Reddit. If you are using the mobile app, you may need to restart the app for the changes to take effect. It is also worth noting that some subreddits may have their own rules regarding sound. So even if you have sound turned on, some videos and GIFs may not play with sound in certain subreddits. Additionally, you can also control sound for individual videos and GIFs by clicking on the speaker icon at the bottom of the video or GIF. This allows you to quickly toggle sound on or off for a specific video or GIF.